Yeah, so look, at Casuarina Senior College and Palmerston College, we've successfully installed around 90 to 98 kilowatts on both sites. At the moment at Casuarina, we're offsetting around 19% of their daily usage, and at Palmerston College, it's around 27%. This is great because we were able to put some smart meters on and we can monitor exactly how much solar those particular properties require to offset their power usage throughout the day. The correct installation, we can offer the customer to preview what their solar production is against what they actually consume. So they can see whether they're using their solar, selling their solar, or utilising from the grid. Along with that, they can then see what each individual panel is doing. With all that combined, they've got full control over their entire system, which is great. We find that it's fantastic due to the fact that the biggest question that we get asked every day is, where does my power go? To be able to give them something like the monitoring platform where they can actually understand where their power goes, what time their power increases or decreases, gives the customer a real sense of satisfaction. It gives them an opportunity to change how they do things through the day. So especially with a commercial property where it's zero export, they might want to change nighttime usage into daytime usage so that they can actually save more money by monitoring and showing them where they use their power and how they use it. It just gives us the opportunity to have full control of the system, from each individual solar panel to what the entire system's doing. So from the owner's point of view and our point of view, being able to see the same thing from a reactive maintenance point of view as well as an installation point of view ticks the boxes. Basically just gives the customer a better product at the end of the day. Being able to optimise every single panel and get the full potential and efficiency out of each individual panel is very important for us when it comes to commercial, due to the fact that every commercial you sell is based on an ROI and the customer's looking for it to be paid off in that particular time. So it really gives them the opportunity to have a look at how each panel works and what it does and what it means at the end of the day as a whole when the inverter pumps out what the inverter pumps out. Obviously the NT government was very happy with what we achieved. We're very happy with what we achieved, and most importantly the school is very happy with what we achieved.